the idea is basically to have discrete social networks for teenagers or families where they can, in a very simple way, just say what their status is when they're going out and about. So the interface would be quite simple. It'd be using geolocation and maybe some of the APIs that were presented today. So there's some interesting ones like voice-to-text messaging, which we think might be good for accessibility, people who are handicapped.
Some diagrams which would model down how the application should work for the individual, how it would circle around them, and we're just trying to work it out, how to get it built.
Management system. So there's lots of apps out there at the moment which will help you manage your finances. They're usually just aimed at one person's.
Yeah, good. We've got how are you getting on? Ed is working on Twilio stuff, so sending like a daily report and things out to people. Pat is working on the database and getting that all sorted. Dan is working on SendGrid, which is going to send like an email statement to you at the end of the week if you choose or whatever. And I'm working on the front end at the moment and just getting a bit of an interface up and running, but it seems to be, feels like it's going well.
Well, this is a hack day at Modern Jago. There are, I don't know, about 80 people here. They're all kind of coming together, collaborating and building things with technology. And we've got API partners like Mashery, Twilio, Pusher, all kind of showing developers what they could do with their platforms and their APIs, and basically everyone's here just building stuff. It's going really well. There's people building all sorts of things, really creative ideas, lots of collaboration, different kinds of people, developers, business people, some kind of building things because of a necessity, some building things for charity. It's a really good, positive vibe.
Just to get to know people with same interests and learn about interesting APIs and possibilities, what you can do with them.
Yeah, we've already seen a lot of new APIs that we didn't know and tried them and also talked to some people, so it's really quite interesting. We started out using the Paymail API, and the Paymail guys were really helpful and showed us everything, and so I think this place is really great to meet new people and to get stuff done.
Yeah, so it can be difficult if you start using a new API, but if you can get in touch with the developers, it helps a lot.
I think this is a brilliant idea. It's got a lot of people together, there's a lot of collaboration, you've got people who've never met each other today working together in teams. Everybody got a chance to stand up and do a couple of minutes or a couple of seconds pitch, and teams have actually been created as a result of that. So it's just such a good thing to do, good collaborative environment, and I think anybody who's in this kind of business would want to come to something like this.
I came here looking to throw a hackathon around London Web Summit, and I was introduced to this space, Modern Jago, and the minute I heard that it's a Microsoft space, I was like, alright, should be interesting, worth checking out. And I came here a couple days ago, day after I landed in London, and I was like, this is amazing. This is unlike anything Microsoft I had ever seen. And I've seen a bunch of Microsoft offices in US and other places, but this is really exceptional. It's very startup-y. It's very really good space for collaboration and getting people together to network and meet different kinds of people and learn from each other. So the hackathon's been running all day today. It's been going really well. We got some decent response from people and some really cool apps getting built. Can't wait. Really thank you Microsoft for hosting us. I would love to do more similar events here. So good stuff. Thank you.
Can be on the iPad when the other one's actually flying it. And then finally we have the grand prize, and this was unanimous decision. That goes to Give Now.